Welcome to our complete guide on installing Minecraft Bedrock Edition on your iPhone and iPad. Let's jump right into it. Before we proceed, let's check if your device is compatible. Minecraft Bedrock Edition runs on a variety of iPhone and iPad models. First, you'll want to check your iOS version. Go to Settings, tap on General, and then About to see your software version. Next, access the App Store on your device. You can find this icon on your home screen. Use the search feature in the App Store to find Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Just type in Minecraft and hit search. Once you find the game, tap the price button to proceed with your purchase. Enter your payment details if prompted. Now, let the game download and install. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once installed, open the game and follow the initial setup instructions to get started. Don't forget to check out the game settings. Customize your experience to suit your style. If you encounter any issues during installation, check your internet connection or restart your device. Now you're ready to explore the world of Minecraft Bedrock Edition on your iPhone or iPad. Happy crafting!